Hello, everyone. My name is Eduardo, and I'm going to give a quick update on developing the Create agent for the AI catalog. So, just a overview of what we're doing is we spoke last time about the creation of, let me go here and show this, of multiple agents to help with the creation of help users with the whole life cycle of an agent in GitLab. So across the create, the verify, the deploy, the operate, and monitor stages, also secure. And now we will be focusing on this here, the create stage, which is we want to help users create agents. It's not always that easy. There can be innumerous options for tools to be selected. There can be tools that do not exist yet, and that is where we want to help them now. So this agent will not create another agent themselves. They will help users with the process and giving ideas and uh, working with them until the user is happy with the clicking the button to create an agent. So what the easy way that we could do this is create an agent that only operates on the chat, and that you would only copy and paste like the user would type, okay, I want to create a an agent that fetches all processes all issues and selects the best ones or something like this. Or in this case, get me an agent that um, does that. So it would the chat would output a system prompt or something, the user would come over here, copy paste over there, and then add it. But then if the user wanted, so this would be really easy to implement, but there are some issues with this. So for example, one, the user has to copy paste. That's already something like not a really good UX. Um, but also if the user changes something over here and they want to iterate on this, the agentic chat doesn't have that information of the changes, right? So it doesn't know about this part of the area. So what we will do instead is consider this as a draft area. The forms are a draft component. It will almost act like a memory to the agent. So instead of like the user will ask the agent to help them creating an agent. The agent will create the chat will create a system prompt. Instead of requesting the user to update it, automatically all of this will be filled in with information from the agent. Now this information, okay, you already add a description, a system prompt, a user prompt, and everything, and then the user can edit this directly on the UI. So, for example, they want to change the name or something else. And then this information here is going to be used by the agentic chat with the previous state and the current state for further changes. So it creates this flow of you use the chat to communicate with the create agent, but this is your working area rather than the chat. This is here where users will focus their improvements. It's almost like uh, this would be like the coding editor for an agent specialized in coding, but all of the changes will replicate over here. And then once the user is happy, they can click to create the user. So this is the focus, or this is how we're going to develop this POC. The front then the POC plan will be to create this component that performs bidirectional communication between the agentic chat and the form, the create form. Hopefully in a way that this can be used by other forms as well. So there are many forms that could benefit from help on creating them, on filling them on GitLab. So this might be something that could be applied in different places. So this bidirectional component, the agent in the beginning will be defining the iCatalog with the list of available tools hard-coded into the agent itself for the POC. And we'll be working only with the agent, not with the flow building UI yet. The flow building is one of the where this agent will really shine, but it's currently behind a feature flag and it will come eventually. Um, and we expect a time here to have this POC available between 1 and 2 weeks. Um, and why can't we use, so for the POC will be on AI catalog. By the way, why do I mention just the POC? Because for production, if we want to ship this, we cannot ship from the AI catalog. Why? We need to fetch the list of tools that are available to the agent, and this needs to be done on as a tool that the workflow service can consume. And there's no way of deploying this from the GitLab AI catalog on the GitLab project to the self-hosted instances. So we need a compilation step when building the workflow service images to fetch all of the AI catalog, all of the AI catalog agents that we're interested about. So this doesn't exist yet. And as we move on to further interaction, especially with the verify agent, we'll need to be there for this for them to coexist. Okay, so this is the plan. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.